A more busy and polluted lifestyle, focusing on city living, often leads us to neglect and forget our local green spaces. We are unaware of the numerous benefits parks and nature reserves can have and overlook these hidden gems. Nature reserves act as a corridor for the wildlife that live in our cities. These interconnecting green spaces are vital in maintaining the ecosystems of the area and allow the animals to move around, essential for their survival. Not only do our green spaces help support ecosystems, the trees and other plants help to remove CO2 from the atmosphere, improving air quality and reducing climate change on a local scale. Nature reserves can also have immense impacts on both your physical and mental health. They offer safe places to exercise and relax, taking a break from our hectic lives. My local nature reserve in Kings Norton offers lots of activities to try and get the local community involved. I think this is a great way to raise awareness of the space and maintain its good condition. For example, they frequently hold litter picking days and group walks. Not only do these help to improve and maintain the good condition of the site, I feel these types of events bring the community together and help encourage the locals to make the most out of the great space available. Overall, nature reserves are incredibly important and should be valued more. We hope more people can appreciate their local green spaces.